Boom All Star Sound Clash have a winner, and this week we're here with Notorious Sound. First of all, introduce yourselves for me, please.
Hi, this is Bagya Mari. Me, the selector with Notorious International Sound. And
This is DJ Premier, don't know the young generation for Notorious International.
Premier, me notice, you know, a leg of that trophy there.
Nah, I got nowhere.
Yes. Last one at least.
You know Luka Shaba, right? You don't know.
Check it out.
Before we even get into the Sound Clash, give you a little background history about the sound system, because at the first me I see a Jamaican sound with not only a Japanese selector but a female Japanese selector. So give you a little background history as to how that even come about.
Yes!
well, the story is long, so make it cut short. Reggae and dancehall music is very big in Japan. You know that already, right? And when I was teenager, I listened dancehall music in the club. And that time I was like, what kind of music is this? It's strong and powerful. So I decided to come Jamaica, came Jamaica and fall in love with everything about Jamaica, like Jamaican culture, music, food, people. And one day, me and Shaba I woke up in one dance. Yes. And when I see Shaba, like, wow, he's perfect selector to me. Like, I never see the selector like Shaba before, so we start to link up and make this sound named Notorious International.
Why them sing and take you all boom clash? You're intense! Say them as it for them, boy!
So Premier, how you get involved in the sound now?
Well, it was 2 years back still. Shaba just returned back from international duty with So Supreme and thing before him decided to I'm going to do Notorious fully. But Notorious was always there, but I wasn't a part of Notorious until when Shaba decided to really take it serious. So decided to say, I want a team, and him say, alright then, Premier, look like you can be a part of the team.
Why you decided to take Notorious International serious, and why you decided to put together the team the real way?
Yeah, because when I was a youth, in a tender age, at the age 12, I used to play a sound named Soul Supreme. Long story short, them off of the road for a 10-year, 10-year break. Them returned 2014, I guess, something like so. And me and Mary start do some local match. So I say, we never get fire from the sound here, nothing never happen. So why not jump on for the sound? And them contact me and make the link and we go, go overseas and see how the thing go. And I feel like saying, no, then we can't do this after we won't do.
Turn up the sound!
I said the trophy's not yours.
Talk to me about the competition now. What was the competition like for you this time around, and what did you guys do differently?
Well, for me, more preparation, take it more serious, voice more songs, and think more hard and try to come with more creativity. Try to do something where nobody now. That's why you see me with the mass. Because when I time with I clash with one, I boom clashing and you when me I clash with the African and the man I go on wicked and everybody say Jesus Christ, Shabba dead. And we go say boom and throw and my mass. And come on and I'm going and sitting on the appearance alone, they shell the whole place, you know what I mean?
And survivors that the old gangster alley. No gunshot, tape, skip, man, alley. And them things with them.
And plus, we are play for more like young people. Because now it's 2019. Clash thing is like kind of old people thing. Back in the days, it's more art. And play more old song foundation, but we just drop new song with dub play, custom, 6 and everything. And that's our plan, everything just work.
What made you decide to selecting world a something you want to do?
Well, music was always a part of me. Like my father was a dancer. I used to dance with Bogle back in the days.
Okay.
So music in my blood. But we decided to I'm not going to really take the same journey like my father took. We decided to say, do something different.
Yeah.
Because I love the music differently.
Shaba, talk to me now.